But Pip was about to cross the invisible line.
Who's there? Stay back!
Something's wrong.
One samosa today, my friend? It's fresh!
Yes, I'll take it.
Wow, he's so tall and brave.
Courage and love create safety, and sometimes even a backyard can feel like a kingdom.
With courage and care, even the smallest can explore safely.
Look, Mama, I'm so fast.
No matter the journey, I want to face every path with you by my side. Look at what we've built together. Love, courage, and friendship. This is the heart of our village. In the animal kingdom, few forces are as powerful as a mother's love.
Wow, look at this leaf.
Stay close, little one.
Her soft, nurturing gaze vanished. In its place, a guardian.
Back off!
Mama!
What is order restored? Not by strength, but by love.
You're safe now, little one. I love you, Mama.
If we adjust the plan here, it will work more efficiently.
You've truly adapted so well. I knew you had this in you.
Size doesn't always matter. Courage does. That's enough.
Mama, you're amazing.
I better stay back.
All of this, it's more than I ever imagined.
It's incredible seeing everything we've built together. I hope I can prove myself here.
I think you'll fit in just fine. Come, let me show you the ropes.
Thank you. I'll do my best.
No cat should struggle alone, not in my village.
This will be a wonderful place for everyone to grow.
Let's get started together. She became a living shield, fearless protector.
You will not harm him.
What? This small cat?
Mama, be careful.
Well, look at you, village boy. Fancy clothes don't grow on mud walls.
Can he really belong here? I may be...
I can't imagine any journey without you.
Look at them, so happy together.
Every step of this journey led me to you.
I can't imagine life without you by my side.
Dance with me. Tonight we celebrate everything we've achieved.
We've built something magic.
Hooray for the happy couple.
Look at them, from humble beginnings to this.
They're learning so quickly. Reminds me of our own first steps.
What a perfect evening, everyone together.
They're curious, just like we were. Oh, never looked so bright.
Look how they all recognize you. They've missed you.
You've done well, my friend. Welcome.
Look at everyone. This is more than I ever imagined.
It's wonderful seeing everyone so happy.
I'm so glad you're here with me.
Look at everyone, sharing, laughing. It's wonderful. It's amazing. Everyone's hearts are opening together. Every heart here shines, and it's ours together. This village, from village streets to city dreams, and now, here with you. I never thought our journey could end this beautifully. It's perfect. I never imagined our village could feel this alive. To friendship, love, and the journey.
I don't have much, but I must reach the city. Ticket, please. No exceptions. Ha! What a shabby villager thinks he belongs here.
It's amazing to see our worlds come together.
I've learned so much, and it's all thanks to everyone here.
Behind me was safety. Ahead, fear. The storm was loud.
Mama, it's so warm.
That sound. Someone needs me.
Mama, it's so cold outside.
Sleep, my loves. You are safe. All of you, safe at last.
Mama, you did it!
Warm, finally.
My babies, you're safe.
They belong with you now. They're your family, Mama Hen.
Mama? You're scared.
You're safe now, little one.
Mama! It's a baby bird.
Welcome home, little ones. They're so tiny and cute.
Mama, warm.
There's another I have to help.
Be careful, Mama.
We trust you, Mama. Got you. You're safe now. Warm. Warm. Thank you. Hold on, I'm coming. Please, I'm so cold. Almost there. Hold on, little one. Warm. Safe. Almost there. Just hold on. Thank you.
You're not alone now. Thank you.
Hold on, I'll get you. Help, please. There you are, safe with me now. Warm, thank you. One last. Hold on, little one.
Mama, be careful.
Almost home. Hold tight, little ones.
Mama, safe now. Mama, it's so warm.